This poem is by Pie Corbett. It's called
Recipe to make a wolf. Take the rushing of a storm cloud, the growl of a dog in a corner, and the song of a whale adrift for her voice. Take the shrug of drifting mist, a bonfire's smoke swirling, and an old man's beard for her coat. Take the strength of an elephant's tusk, the jagged tip of a rat's bite, and a slice of slate for her teeth. Take the speed of a squirrel's dash, the softness of a dove's feathers, and the fire's fine ash for her eyes. Take the stab from a heron's beak, the flick of a dolphin's tail, and the strength of cement for her claws.